Hi, and welcome to Empower's Driver App Tutorial Series. In this episode, we will be discussing how to choose your subscription plan once your trial has ended. So let's begin. When you finish your free trial period and click Drive Now, you will be prompted to choose the subscription plan that works best for you. You can choose between the monthly Flex plan, the monthly Platinum plan, and the daily plan. You will see an info button that will give you more information regarding the different plan types with their pricing and options. The monthly Flex plan starts at $49.99 per month. The monthly subscription is based on usage, and subscription payments are made in $50 installments instead of all up front. The monthly Flex plan is recommended for part-time and near full-time drivers. With the monthly Platinum plan, the payment is made in full upfront. It includes higher instant payout limits, exclusive Platinum earning guarantees, dedicated Platinum team support, and is recommended for full-time drivers. The daily plan allows use of the app for a 24-hour period. The daily plan is recommended for driving 1 or 2 days per week. But don't worry, if you do not drive, you will not be charged. Once you have chosen the plan that works best for you, click Activate. You can change plans at any time by visiting account.driverinfo.com. Thank you for watching the Empower Choosing Subscription Plans tutorial video, and remember that together we will empower.